Hello and welcome to the Early College of Guilford. I'm Dr. Pete Cashabert, proud principal here in Phoenix Nation. ECG was the first early college in North Carolina, and we are proud of the accomplishments of our students, staff, and parents. Each group contributes to our success, as we are consistently ranked among the best high schools in the nation. We challenge high-achieving students in a writing-intensive, fast-paced curriculum featuring teachers and college professors who are the best in their fields.
ECG offers a very unique academic experience for students who are seeking a rigorous program. The curriculum at ECG allows students the opportunity to complete 4 years of high school coursework in 2 years. 9th and 10th grade students take AP courses, juniors and seniors are full-time college students. When students graduate, they have not only a high school diploma, but also 2 years of college credit that can be transferable to other colleges.
Now, let's take a virtual tour of some of the most common campus spots where ECG students go.
The George White House is the main office of ECG. Our principal, counselor, and data manager offices are all found here. The pickup and drop-off tree is a landmark for our car riders. The north lot is typically the primary parking location for ECG students. The trailers are an ECG student's home for their first 2 years. All student classrooms and testing in the 9th and 10th grade are in here. Founders Hall includes a buffet-based dining hall and a grill, both of which are common locations for ECG students to have lunch. Higgy Library is a popular place for ECG students. It's a great go-to spot for students to work, study, print, and borrow materials. We also have access to the library's Learning and Writing Center for writing support. ECG students often use Guilford College's gym facilities in between upperclassmen classes to stay active or during underclassmen PE for the weight, basketball, volleyball, and tennis units, among others. Rachel's Rose is a regular coffee and pastry stop for ECG students, and undoubtedly one of my favorite spots on campus. Then we have Dana Auditorium, which is the largest auditorium on campus and is used by ECG students for popular events, including the annual talent show, Mr. ECG, and Open House. The Bryan Jr. Auditorium is a common location for ECG students to have large club meetings, events, and gatherings. Junior and senior seminar and counselor connections are also here. And last but not least, we have Fraser, which is a small hangout spot for ECG students just outside the trailers. GCS lunch is delivered here, and amenities such as a microwave and refrigerator are also available for students to use. That's it for our tour. Now we'll hear from a couple of our ECG students about their experiences at ECG.
My favorite part about ECG would be the way the students can help each other, work together, push each other, make an amazing community for everyone to learn and improve. Another favorite part of mine is the freedom we get. Especially in our junior and senior years, we are able to customize our schedule to be like that of any regular college schedule, which gives us much more free time to pursue other activities such as clubs, which are another amazing aspect of ECG. We have such a massive variety of clubs that give anyone something to be interested in and a lot of ways to become very involved in those clubs. Right now I'm in Educate US, which I tutor middle schoolers at a local Pinota middle school, which I have loved doing this school year. I am also a member of Code Club, which we compete in multiple challenges such as Ready Set App and ACSL. It's a great way for all of the programmers to get together and do what we love to do.
I think the benefit about ECG and what makes it unique is that you can take these college classes in the last couple of years of high school, and then you end up transitioning to college. And so you're kind of familiar with that environment and with interacting with professors who have come from like really great universities like Stanford, and I've interacted with other professors from Duke, and the classes are kind of preparing you for whatever workload you're going to have at the university level, which is definitely different from my experience as an underclassman taking just AP classes. But I think that transition it made it a lot easier for me compared to my peers coming into this college environment.
Please keep in mind, if you're seeking a diverse community of like-minded students and are ready to help us maintain the standard for excellence, the Early College of Guilford is a school for you.
Go Phoenix!